Hey, Maria.
What are you waiting for?
Waiting for my parents to arrive.
Blackberries.
2 years.
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Less than 2 years, but still good to see you. Hello. Oh, I like the glasses.
Who is this handsome man? Oh my God, Scout.
Good to see you.
I had the wedge over there so I could lift this side up without it shaking around on me. So now this is in place, but I need to get this one in place.
Okay.
So if I could have you just like use this one and make sure it doesn't like tilt over on me. So we contracted out some unskilled labor from the States.
Very highly unskilled.
No, this is my dad. Came to give us a hand.
Hopefully I won't destroy too much.
Just like here. Okay. Can you listen this one too?
Yeah.
I just needed a centimeter forward so I can move it in the wall because it was stuck in a stone a bit.
So it was like a professional TV studio. They're putting the makeup on and everything, telling me to remove my glasses, and they're interviewing me. And so I'm supposed to be talking about the benefits of this new electronic medical record. And so the person interviewing me has her back to the camera and it's like zoomed up on me. And I just like freeze. And so I'm talking, I'm going, and blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I just figured, well, hopefully they can cut out whatever doesn't make sense.
Editing.
And how was the final product?
It looked great. I mean, I could not believe myself. They made me look like I knew what I was doing.
Are you gonna put the second beam on?
No, I need to move this all the way over.
What do you
Okay.
want me to do? Just get that
Yeah,
aggro
same
press.
thing again, just so it doesn't fall.
All right.
Quiet on set. Okay, so now that we have this pretty much in place, we're gonna enter the second beam and kind of make sure it's wedged against the wall and enter the second one fully.
Is that enough? Or?
Stop. I mean, you turn it. Pull it towards you.
This is just easier. Okay.
Now I'm gonna move this ladder all the way in place. Okay. I guess not even. Yeah, it's in right.
Yeah.
Are you happy with where it lands? Like,
Oh, in the middle?
Straightness wise.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Good for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, needs to go further in the hole. Aquapuff
Take it
out.
off.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna just do a quick check to make sure it's good distance now. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Now up.
Now you could put it right between the two.
Right. Okay.
So we have our two beams in place and we supported them with wood blocks just to make sure that they're both even with each other. They're at the same height. So that's in place here. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna level it up until it's reaching the joist on that side and that the beams are both at the same level. That's important because we're gonna bolt them together and act as one beam. Because every time you tighten somewhere, it gets loose somewhere else, you know? Okay. Thank you. Okay, now that we have our final two beams bolted together, we're going to use our joist hanger, carpentry rated joist hanger, to connect the two beams, the two big beams together.
Yeah, it's tightening somehow.
It is?
A bit, I think.
Almost done. It is so hot.
Yeah.
So I was able to find a joist hanger this big from a professional store where they have roofers come in and buy inventory from them. They were even shocked they had it in stock at the store because I came in and I said, "Do you have a 15 centimeter joist hanger?" And they're like, 15 centimeters? That's huge. But they had it in stock. So right now I'm just making some wooden wedges to fit the tiny gaps that exist since all the joists aren't perfectly even. There was the discrepancy with the old joists and the new joists. So this will just make sure it's nice and right at the same level. Perfect. I got a fancy upgrade on gloves. Very nice. Okay, so when there's a crack like this in OSB, you can really force it in, but it's just easier with this tool here. And you just want to leave a couple millimeter gap for expansion. So weird, now it doesn't bounce anymore. Weird. So the joist that we bought had a maximum limit of 4 meters for their span. And right now we have them sitting at 290 on one side and 280 on the other. So we're well within the defined limit. Thank you. For those curious about the exact specifications of the OSB, it's 22 millimeter OSB, and we're using 5 gauge 60 millimeter screws. So we're very happy with this result here. This is what we were hoping for. We're hoping for leveling the OSB of our new subfloor up with the pre-existing subfloor. We wanted both to be flush, obviously. So we're happy. Good to go.
God. Those things in the freezer.
What is it? Just so we can pass easily.
Oh, I get that. I see what you're doing.
I told
They're heavy, but they're...
Oh yeah, I tested them all. It was just that one. Okay, so this is the last full piece of OSB that we're going to install here. And then we're going to have to rip a sheet in half to cover the remaining skinny piece above the header.
Nathan,
Yeah.
for this full project, how many boxes like this did you use of screws?
Two of the 150 and one of the 200. I think around 60 euro.
60 euro of screws?
About
500 screws approximately?
500.
Nathan loves to use this brand, Spax. The Deutsche Qualität, made in Germany. I had calculated this entire project, included OSB, the four big beams, all the joists, the joist hangers, the bolts, the screws, the resilient
washers.
bands, the washers that you are still waiting for, right?
Yeah.
Because you didn't tighten the beams yet super well. All that came up to around 1,200 euro, which is really not bad.
Not bad for a floor.
Not bad for a floor.
I didn't even know until you mentioned it just now.
Oh, you didn't feel some like cooling
Fresh
air, fresh air entering? Can we finally get you new shoes?
Yeah.
They're hungry.
This happened too when I was a lot younger, a little bit more agile. I was working on a receiving dock and my shoes split open just like this. So I in a pinch, I just grabbed a roll of duct tape and taped it around my foot to keep it closed since it was snowing. All right, project done. On to the next one. In the next episode,
hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.